Welcome to 5-Minute Market Wrap-Up for the week ended May 18, 2024. Nifty rallied 2% higher in the extended week on expectations of a stable central government after the elections. The BSE mid and small cap indices did even better, rising by about 5% each. Among sectoral gainers, Nifty Realty, Metal and Power indices each ended the week higher by 7% or more. Nifty FMCG was the only index to end the week lower. FII's net sold Rs 10,500 crore of equities in cash. DII continued to be net buyers with purchases of Rs 14,500 crore of equities in cash during the week. Among new listings, TBO Tech and Indegene listed with a premium of 55% and 45% respectively over their issue price. GoDigit IPO closed during the week and was subscribed 9.6 times, with the QIB portion subscribed 12.6 times. Office Space Solutions will open next week for subscription. Among weekly Nifty 50 gainers, shares of M&M rallied 14.2% while Adani Enterprises shares were up 9.4%. Among Nifty 50 losing stocks, Tata Motors shares saw the sharpest decline of 8.9%. In select market movers, shares of Hindustan Aeronautics rallied 22% after the company reported a 52% increase in net profit. Cane's revenue jumped 75% from a year ago. Shares of Bank of India fell 10.4% after weak quarterly earnings. Shares of Devyani International fell 5% after the company reported a consolidated net loss during the quarter. Some of the major companies that announced their fourth quarter earnings. Bandhan Bank's net profit declined 93% year-on-year because of provisions and higher write-offs. Net profit of Rail Vikas Nigam is up by 33.3% on a yearly basis. Zomato reported a net profit again as revenues increased 70% year-on-year. In key macroeconomic news, US core inflation slowed to a 3-year low of 3.6% in April 2024, down from 3.8% even as the headline inflation came in line with expectations. German CPI rose by 2.2% in April in line with expectations. China announced a major resource package for the real estate sector, including asking local governments to purchase unsold apartments. Slowing core inflation helped the S&P 500 close the week higher by 1.5% and cross 5,300 for the first time. In this section we discuss select research reports published by the research teams of HDFC Securities, and these can be accessed on our website. Dixon Technologies accelerated growth momentum to sustain, driven by the company's mobile division. Dixon now caters to all the top 6 brands in the country. We have marginally increased target price to 8,000 rupees per share. ABB reported its best ever quarter with net profit beating our analyst estimates by 35%. We have increased the target price for the shares by 45% to 7,990 rupees per share. Styrenix manufactures various plastics used in auto, electrical and consumer durable industries. The company aims to increase its capacity by more than 50% by FY 2026. Our retail research team has assigned a base case fair value of 1,836 rupees per share. That is all for this week. Please refer to the detailed disclaimer on the page.